Good afternoon, students. Last class we are studying 1. Government organization, the meaning of government organization and departmental features of departmental undertaking. The examples of departmental undertaking: All India Radio, Doordarshan, that is main examples of departmental undertaking. Today we all learn about meaning and features of government company. A government company is defined under section 245 of Company Act 2013. That is reforms 2013. But first Indian Company Act in 1956 only. As any company which not less than 51% of paid up share capital is held by central government or by any state government or governments by party by central government and partly by one or more state government and includes a company which is subsidiary companies of such government company. Government is 51% is our own controlled. Balance 49% only government issued in rise share capital, rise a fund or insufficient fund. That time only in government in issued shares, insufficient fund. Next one, features of government company. A registration under the Company Act. A government company is formed through registration under the Company Act 1956. Note it down, students. Everybody, Indian Company Act. First Indian Company Act in 1956. Everybody underline and is subject to the provisions of this act like any other company. However, the central government any direct and that any of the provisions of the Company Act shall not apply a government company or shall apply a certain modification. Government company, olden days, full and full government activities, government recorded every activities in only in manual only. But nowadays in government activity, each and every department fully computerized. Okay. Second one, list out the public corporation under logo. The Food Corporation India of India, FCI New Delhi, headquarters in New Delhi. Company logo is, this is 50. It's Golden Jubilee. ONGC in New Delhi headquarters. Indian Oil Corporation, Tourism Corporation in New Delhi. Next one, executive decision of government. A government company is created by an executive decision of government without seeing the approval of the parliament or state legislature. Government, any decision making means you approval only in parliament or state legislature. That permission only is asking. Nobody government in discuss in other parties. Second, next one, separate legal entity. A government company is a legal entity separate from government. It can accurate property can make a contract and file suit in its own name. Government, any case means that time government is in our own name only in use. Whole or majority capital providing by government. A whole majority, at least 51 percentage of share capital government company is provided by government, but the revenue of company and not deposited into the treasury. Government treasury, central treasury means what? Treasury means full and full financial sector, financial department. That place is a treasury. Majority of government directors being a possessing of majority of shares capital and government as a authority to the appointment of majority of director on the board of director of a government company. The majority means 51 percentage. Which person is undertaking 51 percentage? Majority means that person only board of director. But government is 51 percentage is share capital, our own control. That majority person is only in who? Government control only. Own staff. Government company as it is a own staff expert. Government official who are sent into on deputation. It is employees are not a governed a civil service rules. Free from procedural controls. A government company is a free from budgetary, accounting, auditing controls applicable to the government undertaking. Government, each and every time government companies is full and full audit control and applicable to government undertaking. Accountability and to the parliament, state legislature. The annual report of government companies is placed before a parliament or state legislature. Each and every companies, every financial, every departmental ministers in parliament in auditing report in read out the auditing report is compulsory. Next one, advantages and disadvantages of government company. Easy formation advantages. Easy formation. A government company can be easily formed under a Companies Act just by executive decision of government. The government company easy to formation. Next one, internal autonomy. Government company can manage its affairs of independently. It is relatively free from a ministerial control and political interference in its day-to-day functioning. Internal autonomy means government ministers and political interference in day-to-day functioning. Many ministers in our control department is full and full watching day-to-day which work, day-to-day which target is finished in. Some ministers or political influences involving private participating. Through a government company decide the government can avail of the management skill. Management skill means that is controlling skill, technical, known how to expertise. Expertise means some excellent persons of private sector and foreign countries. For example, the Hindustan Steel Limited has obtained a technical and financial assistance from USSR, West Germany, and UK for steel plants of Bhilai, Bhilai, Indian famous steel companies Pillai, Durgapur, and Rockila, that is famous steel companies. Underline, listen students. The steel company plant is what? Pillai, Rock, Rockila, and Durgapur. Everybody note it down. Three famous steel industries. Easy to alter. Objectives and powers of the government companies can be changed by simplifying, altering the memorandum of association of the company without seeking a approval of parliament. Each and every company is compulsory prepare to memorandum of association. The memorandum of association is clearly watched and clearly followed, that afterwards only in parliament approval. Each and every government or private company, each and every company compulsory prepare memorandum. Discipline. The government company is a subject to the provisions of a company act, which keeps the management of the company active, alert and disciplined. Next one, professional management. A government company can employ professionally qualified managers because it has their own personal policies. Professional management. Some education department professionally trained person only that selected in that posting. Some defense means some selected that professionally selected, that oriented trained person only selected. That is mostly a government company can employ is professionally qualified persons only selected. Next one, public accountability. The annual report of government company is presented to the parliament or state legislature. This report can be discussed and debated there. Debated means some discussion, some parliament, some financial minister in one financial report is read out means some other parties, other persons in discuss that financial report, that is discussed and debates there. Listen students, government company features of government companies important. First one, easy formation. Second one, internal autonomy. Third one, private participation. Next one, easy to alert, discipline, professional management, and public accountability. Today, listen students, this is one 5-mark question, one 3-mark question. What do you mean by government company? Is compulsory, this one question. Next one, advantages of government companies. Listen students, one day one topic is finished means that day you read and thorough that topic. You next day you postpone means your workload only heavy. Okay, listen, next one, advantages Advantages is over. Next one, disadvantages of government companies. Board of director packed with yes ma'am. Yes man. Yes man. The board of director of a government company, they are government appointed directors. Government being the major shareholder. Government major shareholder means 51% persons is a major shareholder. Government controlled only in 51%. Highest percentage is government our control only. Who are yes man of the government. They are unable to run the company is business like manner. That is highest percentage is government our own controlled means other shareholders is say yes only. Next one, autonomy only in a name. Autonomy only in name. Independent independent chartered of a government companies exist only in name. In reality, politicians and ministries, government officials, interference, executively excessively in the day-to-day working of government company. Some government companies more interference in politicians, ministries and government officials and interference executes excessively in the day-to-day working in every day. Some politicians or some government officials is interference in each and every department in interference. Next one, a fraud on Companies Act and constitutions. A government company is criticized as a being a fraud on Company Act and on the constitutions. This criticism is valid on the ground that government can exempt a government company from applications to several provisions of a Company Act. Again, the Parliament is not taken into confidence while creating a government company. More government companies, some fraud or some illegal activities is more department in this fraud activities. Fear of exposure. The annual report of government companies placed before a parliament state legislature, the working of the company is exposed to the press criticism. Therefore, a management of the government company often gets a demoralized and may not take any initiative to come out with the implements something innovative. Government is the annual report government companies before a parliament and state legislature. The working of a company is exposed press criticism. Criticism means positive activity or not negative activities. Criticisms is only in negative activity. Government activity, government companies in company activity, more activities in public, more criticisms. Plus some press reports, some magazines is government is some exploitation of consumer or public in some government is more infrastructure facilities in some expand in road or some government gas pipe, or that activities is government occupy in more land, that agriculture land is more occupied, that time is government, public is not satisfied in government activity, that time more cultivate land is occupied in government, mean that time public is not support in government activities. Okay students, each and every day listen students, you read properly today, next week, this month long weekend started in quarterly exam, you read properly each and every day, you read, you each and every day you follow home test. Listen student, each and every points you read clearly, watch this video and important points you mark down, and important some inside one words in how many percentage of government our control in control, 51 percentage in government our control. Indian Company Act in 1956, Indian Company reforms, Indian Company Act in 2013. Some inside one words is compulsory ask board exam. Okay students, you read properly. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you students.